Can your car or truck pull a trailer? The answer is maybe, but only if you have a few things first. The most obvious question is, does your vehicle have a tow package? A tow package should include the hitch, the ball, and the wiring. For a tow package, new car dealers can charge up to $1,100, sometimes more. If you have a professional install it aftermarket, you might pay as much as $625. And if you are a do-it-yourselfer, the parts will be about $250. Start to find the right trailer for your vehicle by looking for your car or truck's vehicle towing capacity in its manual. This is the manufacturer's specification of the weight your vehicle is designed to tow. Choosing a trailer that exceeds your vehicle's towing capacity will stress the vehicle's engine, transmission, and brakes beyond their design limits and could be a significant safety hazard. While reading the vehicle's owner's manual, take note of the gross vehicle weight. The GVW is the actual weight of your car or truck. Next, look for the gross vehicle weight rating, or GVWR. The GVWR is the sum of the vehicle's weight and the maximum load it can safely tow. Also, keep in mind all-wheel drive and four-wheel drive vehicles will have a greater towing capacity than comparable two-wheel drive vehicles. It is important to do the math before shopping for a trailer or RV trailer. Dealers of cars, trucks, and trailers should be fully prepared to answer your questions in this area.
Warren Secord Automotive Tire Pros can help you on the west side of Kent. Stop by and see them or call for an appointment.